Hey everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. We've got a fun video for you today. We've been camping at the Northwest Overland Rally, and we've brought something that you haven't seen on the channel yet. This is I'll say this is yours. This is my wife's amazing Coleman tent trailer, and my wife's been fixing it up for the past year, and we thought we'd give you a tour. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
When pioneers pressed westward for land and opportunity, they left their homes and packed all they would need for the journey. Those were difficult times, and those who were not prepared were unsuccessful. But for those who were, their dreams became reality. While we no longer pack up and venture into nature's unknown out of necessity, we are still inspired by that pioneer spirit. That pioneer spirit remains inherent in us all. The value of enjoying time with your family and friends in the great outdoors. A value that's been part of Coleman registered trademark tradition since 1900.
Go Marley, go. Amy, we take this on all the trails, right?
All the trails.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not exactly easy.
Muscle power.
Ho-ho. Amy, give us a tour of your amazing tent trailer that you've been fixing up.
Well, this is a 98 Coleman Cheyenne.
Ooh.
It was purchased brand new by my aunt and uncle. They decided they would take their family of 4, 2 young kids, buy a tent trailer and live in an RV park while it was being built.
And how did we get our hands on it?
So then it got passed down to another relative who then passed it down to me.
Well, what are the outdoor features? Like, what's the size? What do we got going on here?
I don't remember the size, but I do like the fact that the Colemans have a fiberglass rooftop. It is covered in a plastic shell.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of times these will crack and get old, as ours has. We've had to patch it with some tape.
Yep.
But for the most part, this is in pretty dang good condition.
Yeah.
The other thing about the Cheyenne is it's one of the models with the front box, and the front box is for stuff that you can store outside, you know, chairs, the hoses, the gray water tank, things like that. The other feature that I really like is that it does have an outdoor propane stove that hooks up separately. It's a high pressure one, so it's only for outdoors and it stores in the front box. So here's your outdoor shower. Take a shower or wash dishes outside, you can do that. Water tank.
Yep.
This is your heater vent.
Cool.
Fridge vents, and then your fridge and heat
dusty
controls, so you can switch it to DC, AC, or gas. And then your hot water heater lives in your front box, but you have access to it here. And I'll admit, never used it.
So we don't know if it works.
Don't know if that works, but I assume that it does.
Nice. What are the sizes of the beds while we're kind of out here?
Well, the size of the beds, this side is a king size.
Cool.
And then the other side is a full size, and it does fit the full size sheets.
Cool. Well, let's go look on the inside.
Walking in, you see the kitchenette area, and this actually folds down. So when you lift this up, it actually folds into the floor in front of the fridge space. It has stove here.
Yeah.
Right like that.
Magical.
Sink area comes with a little cutting board that fits on top. And my uncle, when they lived in here, he built this little makeshift rack to put on here, and I found Dollar Tree, dollar store hooks, zip tied them on, so I had a little bit more versatility with it. Strapped to our door holder, because when it's folded up, this door comes up here onto the ceiling.
Got it.
I have a little Velcroed canvas strap that I hook my basket on that I can hang other things on. One last under sink area is for my trash can, my dog bowls.
What about this adorable fridge with the adventure awaiting and such?
Yeah, this is my fridge and it actually works. It's a little dirty, but it actually works.
Probably because of the sticker, right?
The sticker makes all the difference. So this is the other side of our trailer. Has our dinette area.
Gonna refinish the table.
Refinish the table, put some countertop contact paper on top of there, as well as some of the other countertops and some new edging there. I made slip covers for our dinette chairs so that they can come off and be washed. As you can see, new flooring.
Right, yeah, you did, and you did all of this yourself.
I did. Lo and
I think
behold.
I did help do that piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it.
And then painted the wallpaper and the bench. Now the bench came with a couch-like seat that could fold out into another bed, but I like it for storage and setting stuff on more than a couch, so we've left the cushions at home. So I wanted some different curtains because they were 90s teal and floral patterns. I just bought pre-made blackout curtains, and I wanted just something that could easily roll up. I think I used some old fence boards.
You did, yeah, from the scrap pile I have.
Put them in the bottom of this
There we go.
that it can roll up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I helped.
Yeah. And I made magnetic strips so that I could just, and I haven't trimmed everything, so that I could just
Nice.
magnet it up there. And so these curtains had to be done too because they were also old. So what I did is I cut the old ones off the netting and I just sewed new ones onto the netting and then used the top strip, kept the top strip the same so it plugged right in.
And this is Marley's spot.
And this is Marley's edge, yeah. Full-size bed.
Quiet, Tobus. And last but not least,
Last but not least, king-size-ish bed.
yeah,
And
you've made it pretty comfortable.
I have added a memory foam crate on there.
Can
So-
confirm it's comfortable.
Yep, it's comfortable. It's
Can confirm it flops in the wind a little bit with the canvas.
yeah, but you know, it's pretty steady and secure, all
Yep.
things considered.
And that is the spacious, amazing inside of the tent trailer. Which you reminded me what the nickname of it was.
The old bag.
The old bag.
Old bag.
We gotta pull the old bag this weekend.
Yep. Take out the old bag.
Gotta air her out every once in a while.
That's right. Air her out.
We forgot to mention one more cool thing we've done to this.
That's right. We replaced the seal stripping on the bottom of the roof.
Yes. How hard is it to find parts for this thing?
Not hard at all. There's actually a website, colemanpopupparts.com.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but
Not
it
sponsored at all.
usually has everything that I need in it, from the right size hosing to the seal. Yeah.
Very cool. So Amy, thank you for the tour of the old bag. Any more plans for this thing? We're just gonna keep rocking it until it falls apart?
Pretty much. Pretty much. Keep rocking it till it falls apart or till we decide that we really
It's time for something a little more
robust.
Hey guys, I know that you might have questions about this, so please leave them in the comments and I will give them to Amy and then I will answer them. I know that you looked at a lot of videos and articles and blogs and stuff about fixing this up, so
Right?
people can ask you.
That's right.
Awesome. Amy explains things.
Amy explains the old bag.
Yes. All right, well everyone, thanks for checking out this video and we gotta get going because this rally is over. So until next time, God bless, don't forget to yourself, and thanks Marley for holding the camera.